What's going on, you guys? I hope you're all having a great morning, afternoon, or evening, whenever you may be watching this video. If you've been watching my channel for a little while now, you may have seen the video that I made called You Need These Carbon Fiber Pieces for Your Car. In that video, I actually installed these carbon fiber front fins, as well as these carbon fiber taillight pieces from a company called Hardcore Material. I'm sure you can tell just by looking at my 86 that I actually love carbon fiber. I have it spread out all throughout the car, from the front, literally all the way to the back. As you guys have heard me say before, the interior is pretty much where you spend most of your time at with your car. And for me, it's unfortunate because I don't really show too much love to it. I obviously have these seat covers and floor mats on the interior of my car, as well as some few minor carbon fiber pieces. Like for right now, I have these carbon fiber pieces that go around the air bezels, and then one that goes underneath the climate control buttons. You guys are always telling me to add more stuff to the interior of my car, so I figured today would be the perfect opportunity. Inside this package right here, I got some awesome parts for the interior of the car. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get it opened up and I'll show you guys what's inside. Now, they sell parts for not only the interior, which I'm gonna be installing parts for today, but as well as the exterior for your car. So if you guys are in the market for any carbon fiber for your vehicle, make sure you guys go check out the links down in the description below so you can go over to the Hardcore Material store and see if you want any products for your car. Real quick, before we go over and take them and get them installed into the car, I wanted to go ahead and show you guys what they look like. So this piece right here actually goes around the shifter. This one is for the radio, and then I'm pretty sure this goes over the AC controls, if I'm not mistaken. But with that being said, let's go ahead and grab all these pieces now and bring them over to my 86 and get them installed. All right, you guys, so the install process for this should be really easy. I don't know if you noticed or not, but on the back of these carbon fiber pieces, it's actually just 3M. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just get these pieces sort of mocked up in place on where they're supposed to go. So the piece that I'm gonna try first is I'm probably gonna work my way up from the smallest piece to the biggest one. I'm kind of just getting it mocked up in place so I know how it should look. Now that I've got a general idea on how it's supposed to look, I'm gonna go ahead and get the 3M peeled off the back. You don't get many shots at laying it down multiple times, so I'm gonna go ahead and hopefully get it laid down perfectly on the first try. And I'll show you guys what it should look like. We're gonna apply pressure for about 15 to 30 seconds. And just like that, you guys, the first piece has now been put in place. These next two pieces are probably some of my favorites just because of how large they are. These go around the radio and the shifter area right here. With that being said, let's go ahead and get them taken out of the package and get them installed. I'll go ahead and show you guys what this one's supposed to look like. I'll just mock it up in the meantime for right now. So, to give you guys a general idea, this is how it's supposed to look. Now that we got both of the radio and the one that goes around the AC vents fully installed, now let's go ahead and get the one that goes around the shift knob and shifter installed as well, which should look something like this. Man, look how insane that looks. Oh my gosh. Let's go ahead and get the 3M taken off the back of this one right here, and I'll show you guys what it looks like once it's fully installed. And just like that, you guys, look at how incredible this looks. Oh my gosh. My personal opinion, when you add carbon fiber to the interior of your car, as long as you don't overdo it and add way too much, I feel like it can really make the interior of your car look a lot more nicer and a lot classier as well. You guys are gonna have to let me know what you think down in the comments below and how you think these turned out. Man, I absolutely love them. I couldn't be happier, honestly. Like I said, I love carbon fiber, and the Hardcore Material store actually sells so many different types for the interior and the exterior. So I'd really like to know, what other carbon fiber pieces would you guys like to see me install in my car? Whether it's for interior pieces sort of like this, or maybe for the steering wheel, or maybe for the dash over here, or even stuff on the exterior as well. You guys are always asking me for super simple installs, and this is pretty much as simple as it can get. What I'm thinking about doing now is getting the 86 pulled out onto the driveway just so I can grab a few photos for you guys on how well the interior turned out. So let's go ahead, get the 86 started up and pull it out onto the driveway. All right, you guys, so as you could tell, it's actually starting to rain right now. So what I'm gonna go ahead and probably do is just bring the 86 and pull it back into the garage. And then tomorrow, when it's all nice and sunny out, I'm gonna go out and go grab some photos and some videos of how the interior looks with the new carbon fiber. So with that being said, I'm gonna hopefully see you guys tomorrow when the weather looks a little bit better. All right, so good morning, you guys. It's actually the next day. As you can tell, it's all super cloudy out. I was actually planning on going to grab photos today, like I said previously. But honestly, with how the weather looks right now, I really don't even think that it's worth going out, because it's can't really tell on video, but it's lightly raining right now. And I know by the time I go out to any location to actually go ahead and grab photos of how the carbon fiber looks in my car, it's just gonna be raining anyways. I'm actually planning on doing a whole little mod showcase video. I've actually done one in the past, not too long ago, but I wanted to do an updated video on everything that I have done to the car. So I'll talk more about the carbon fiber in that video in case you guys are actually interested in them, as well as all the other parts that I have installed on my GR86. I just wanted to thank everybody over at the Hardcore Materials store for sponsoring today's video. It's teams and partners like them that help make videos like this possible for you guys. So if you haven't already, please make sure you guys go down and check out all their store links to see if they have any products that you may be interested for your vehicle. And I know this video was rather short, but if you guys enjoyed, please make sure you give it a like down below. It helps me out so much. Subscribe if you guys are new. That way you can stay up to date on all the videos that I make on my 86, just like this. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Peace.